UV disinfection in medical facilities. Water. Water use in hospitals. According to the EPA, healthcare facilities are the third largest consumers of water in the U.S., measured in water use intensity. Heating, cooling, humidification, drinking, bathing, and cleaning are just some of the ongoing medical facility needs which require water. Given the sterile nature and high health standards required of a hospital, rehabilitation, or long-term medical facility, water safety needs to be carefully considered. When incorporated into existing water management programs, ultraviolet disinfection can help prevent the spread of disease. Patients require the safest water. By nature, the welfare of a hospital patient is of utmost importance. A patient's health is already compromised to some degree, and their immune system may be fighting off certain diseases. It is imperative that they are given the purest quality water, whether for drinking or another purpose. If it harbors any trace of contaminants, the threat of healthcare-associated infections, HAIs, increases. Immune-compromised patients, the elderly, burn patients, smokers, and those undergoing chemotherapy, organ, or bone marrow transplants are all more susceptible to these contaminants. An estimated 65% of HAIs are associated with wet biofilms or the presence of moisture or liquid. Jan Dyer, Infection Control Today. According to the CDC, infections and colonizations in healthcare facilities originate from these sources: medical instruments improperly sterilized, insufficiently cleaned dialyzers and infusion devices, drinking water and ice machines, laboratory solutions, hydrotherapy tanks and pools, aerosols from shower heads and other water sources, cooling towers and condensers, sink and drain splashing, faucets and handles, and building water systems, also known as premise plumbing. Using contaminated water to clean room surfaces, medical devices, and neonatal incubators is an open invitation for microorganisms to grow and spread, resulting in waterborne infections among patients, especially the immunocompromised. Toilet flushing and mists from faucets are also ways that waterborne microbes disperse in healthcare environments, allowing bacteria to colonize and spread. The transmission of Legionella has been detected particularly in decorative fountains with submersed lighting, which creates a warm environment favorable to its growth. Other sources of water contaminants within healthcare settings include eyewash stations, dental unit water lines, dialysis water, and flowers sitting in stagnant water. A plan for waterborne risks. As already described, hospital water systems can be a threat to patient health. It is incumbent upon healthcare facilities to reduce water-based risks through proper means of prevention and management. In its 2018 document, Legionellosis, Risk Management for Building Water Systems, ASHRAE recommends establishing a program team to analyze, devise, and implement a water safety plan. Doing so ensures overall system hygiene in buildings like hospitals. According to the CDC, the principles of effective water management include ensuring adequate disinfection, maintaining devices to prevent sediment, scale, corrosion, and biofilm, maintaining water temperatures to limit bacteria growth, preventing water stagnation. UV as part of a whole facility solution. Adequate disinfection involves more than chlorine or other chemicals. UV disinfection is recognized as a safe and effective addition to your existing water management program. It addresses the most common hospital infections and outbreaks from Serratia, Pseudomonas, and Legionella bacteria, which are listed by the CDC as opportunistic pathogens of premise plumbing. Please visit ultraviolet.com to view a comprehensive list of microorganisms treated with UVC and their respective dosages. Link in the description below. Conventional water filtration at the point of entry into a building may be effective in removing the larger minerals and sediment present in municipal water. However, it most likely allows certain microorganisms through. For this reason, ultraviolet disinfection is a great solution for eliminating these threats before they are dispersed throughout the building's water supply and jeopardize the health of patients. Consider installing water quality treatment technologies such as ultraviolet disinfection to remove impurities and contaminants from water sources. By investing in such technologies, facilities can be assured of optimal sterilization, equipment performance, and effectiveness in reducing waterborne pathogens and endotoxins. Vizient Newsroom. Monitoring and maintenance. Once your water management program is established, regularly monitor key areas for potentially hazardous conditions. An effective program will be tailored to your facility with predetermined responses for when control measures aren't met. As part of your routine maintenance, have your water tested to ensure the water supply in your healthcare facility isn't harboring pathogens. Failed water tests should be immediately addressed. UV solutions for medical facility water. Discovered in the early 1900s, UV disinfection exposes contaminants to shortwave ultraviolet light at 254 nanometers. This wavelength has been found to be extremely effective at attacking the DNA of microorganisms, disrupting it to the point that they are unable to reproduce and are ultimately eliminated. Adding this feature to your facility's point of water entry and point of use will eliminate many of the potential dangers which threaten the safety of hospital patients. Please see the product descriptions which follow and consult our UV application specialists to determine which products best suit your needs. Sanitron. Our Sanitron models treat 3 to 40 gallons per minute, making them a great option for various water flow needs. Model S2400C 40 GPM can be combined for large-scale medical facility water. This product line contains 3 models boasting a certification to NSF ANSI CAN 61 and NSF ANSI 372. Its many features facilitate easy maintenance and will not burden your facility management crew. Medical facilities can greatly benefit by adding our Sanitron to their water management program, especially following any other pre-treatments like filtration. Megatron. For the largest medical water disinfection needs, our Megatron R Series is your choice. It seamlessly integrates into various building management systems so that you can successfully maintain your water disinfection protocols. An HMI touchscreen facilitates monitoring and control like never before, including fine-tuning thresholds for various alarms. 4 models process 90 to 450 GPM of clear, fresh water and can be combined to handle larger requirements. Each model contains multiple germicidal UV lamps, is made to order, and constructed to meet customer needs. Available with manual or automatic wiper systems for cleaning each lamp's protective quartz sleeve. Biologic. A point-of-use UV purifier adds another layer of disinfection immediately before the tap. Operating rooms, patient rooms, examination rooms, and dialysis treatment rooms can benefit from sanitized water flow from their sinks. Our biologic models are a perfect option for underneath the sink, making high-quality disinfected water available for cleaning and washing. Biologic models are available as standalone water purifiers, Model Bio 1.5 or Bio 3.0, or with a dual filter system, Biologic with Pure Water Pack. The final component, ultraviolet disinfection. As we've seen, the water in your medical facility poses a constant threat to the well-being of patients and staff. Keeping its quality up to the highest standards involves a multifaceted approach tailored to your needs. Ultraviolet disinfection greatly enhances any water management program, no matter the size and scope. Contact our UV application specialists for the appropriate design and installation. We also offer numerous ultraviolet solutions for air and surface disinfection within medical facilities. Please see our companion video for effective ways to neutralize airborne and surface-dwelling pathogens which contribute to HAIs daily. Visit our e-commerce site, AtlanticUltraviolet.com, for details. Atlantic Ultraviolet Corporation. Contact us today.